Hi, blessed people, welcome back to a new vlog. The dentist office is not a place that I had ever thought I would see myself going to. Ask me why, as if I thought my teeth had superpowers. Well, it's not like a culture from where I'm coming from, like to just go see a dentist. If Chaan over but my teeth really hurt. And then at some point last year in the month of August, I found out I was pregnant. Do the math, I have given birth. So I saw a dentist, but then I couldn't take the medications that they wanted to give me before doing the procedure on my teeth, so I had to push it till recently before I had the baby. Yes, you heard me right. You heard me right. So in the last vlog I shared with you guys that we're moving houses, and we have already moved houses. I feel like I'm doing catch up with this vlog. So we had to get some things, replace some old things, and then get some new things, just items that we need to make the house more functional. So we came here to get a gas cooker, and my husband was particular about getting the one that has the flame coming from the top. That's in the oven section because he likes to grill. So that's what we're trying to check. We're just looking at the options that they have here. And yeah, so yes, I have moved finally. I could not even film. Moving houses at 9 months pregnant, it's nobody's mate. In fact, it should not be done. Nobody should do it. But to be honest, I had a lot of help. I did not lift anything, but just the thought of transitioning or moving to somewhere else, and just the whole seeing people carrying things was just like I was carrying things. So we finally got this and we took it home. We got the one that has 5 burners, and so far it's working really well. In the next video I think I'm going to do an unboxing. I bought a couple of things online, so let's see how online shopping in Cameroon went for me. I think that's the next video I'm going to share with you all. I also have just been I really wanted to get a frame for myself, and I've been seeing them at ridiculous prices, so I decided to go into Canva, use my skills, make this one for myself, customize it to actually the words that I wanted, and yeah, I made this frame for myself. Do you like it? Do you not like it? So this is like a few days after we moved into this house, so everything is everywhere. Again, this is another clip from the past. This is Easter holidays, and the kids have joined, I don't know what to call it, like this movement. I should say it's a movement of children. They call them Kids and Teens for Exploits. They basically teach them about Christ and just everything about God. So they had their Easter picnic, and I took my kids there. Just listen and enjoy.
I confess my sins. And I forsake them. I say no more. No license. No gossip. Help me. I give myself to you. I want to be called your child. God gives me strength and courage to face every challenge. I am forgiven and loved by God. And I can start fresh every day.
The kids also played this really interesting game. I think it's educative, like teaching them about Bible scriptures. So they stand in the middle, and then they call out a book in the Bible like Esther, and then you jump either to the right or the left if it's New Testament or Old Testament.
Some people are there for middle.
Esther is Old Testament.
It's Old Testament.
Somebody went to New Testament. Somewhere even in between, they confused.
If you do like this, I can you go out. Matthew.
New Testament, of course. New Testament, of course.
Hebrew. And you're wrong. Center. Are you ready? Romans
It's New Testament. Smart.
Center.
See the way she's preparing herself for battle. Haga is Old Testament.
One person did not know, she just saw. Now, center.
You have to be quick.
Isaiah.
Old Testament approach. She followed. That's good. That's her style. She's just doing it her own way. Eh, mama. Go, girlie. Zoe. Mama, don't drop your balloon, eh?
So they also had to play this game where you would have balloons in between your legs and your arms, and then you move from one end to the other without dropping it.
That's without dropping the balloon. Slowly, mama, keep going. Don't drop your balloon. Steady. Keep going. Don't drop it. Oh, keep going, Zoe. It came out. That's okay. You did well. What is it? It's Zoe.
Come to the table.
Yeah. Girl.
Okay. Okay, now I'll take you people. Why is Ayane come? Sister Tati, where? I need somebody to get
Zoe, what are you?
It was quite an interesting day, though we had to leave a little bit earlier because my legs were almost swelling. I was tired. I was already past my due date on this particular day, so moving around was not really comfortable for me. But I had made a commitment that when there's a program, I would always take my children, and I want them to continue to grow and learn on this platform, even as we teach them at home and in church and all of that. So yeah.
I showed you guys a clip where I was designing some t-shirts for my channel, Journey with the Guitar, where I share the Godly Wife Diaries. I am contemplating just changing the channel name as a whole, but I've been holding myself back from doing it. So this is one of them. This one is black. It says the Godly Wife Diaries with a lady in her wedding gown, right? I'm about to film a video for Journey with Guitar. It's been a while since I last filmed the video. I think I'm going to go with this white. Let me be bright when I come back after 4 months. This is Your Marriage is Blessed. So that channel is basically going to be all about marriage. It has been all about marriage for the last 1 year, and I love how it looks, and I love the impact that it's making, and I love how it is growing me as well. So I designed all of this on Canva, you people, just like I designed the other frame. I don't know if I've shown you guys that frame in this vlog. I think I should have. I've shown you guys a lot of different things in this vlog. This is what I'm going to wear now and film. I can't remember what this last. Oh, okay, this one is a it says my family serves God. I was hoping to go for a particular kind of gray. This printer guy did not have that color t-shirt. I guess I had to go and look for it myself, but I put it. So we went with black again, and it says my family serves God, and yes, my family does. Okay, it has a cross and this, like, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. If you're watching this video and you aren't subscribed to this channel, come on now, Come on now. I'm sure my fan is just, the audio might not be the best. I'm sorry. I was supposed to use my mic. So I'm going to wear the white one today. The others, I'm going to keep them. I think I'm going to always wear mostly these when I'm filming for the Godly Wife Diaries. If you are not subscribed to that channel, why? Okay, maybe that might not be something that you are currently, but if you are somebody who looks forward to getting married and are a child of God, a daughter of God, even sons of God can watch that channel, but it's more tailored to women because I'm a woman. So I'm just very bad when it comes to putting things back how I make it. In fact, I'm not bad in Jesus' name. My husband and my son, they are skillful in organizing things. I'm trying to put it back the way it was, but I'm not getting the exact. I guess we're just gonna put it back in an orderly manner. It must not be the same. Okay, these two are back in. Let me change into the white one. Go ahead and film. I'm going to do all my connections now. I love it. Your marriage is blessed for a fact. But first of all, go and subscribe to Jenny Ujidita so that you can be watching videos that will help you know what to do